Welcome back to Our World Outdoors. I'm Missy and this is Olivia, and we are here at Rhododendron Cove just outside of Sugar Grove, Ohio. Me and Tony came here last year, but it was sometime in April and it was super muddy. It is not today. It's very nice out there. We had to track through all kinds of mud to get back here last year, but it's really nice and dried up this time. Now, it was beautiful last year whenever we came, but we were told that if you go in June, all of the rhododendrons are blooming. So it is absolutely gorgeous up there. So me and Olivia are here to find out, right? Yeah. So we're gonna take you along. It's about a 2-mile hike, some elevation. You go all the way up to the top of that hill to get to the rhododendrons. Should be a good little test for little legs. All right, let's get going. Good job. Do the next one. There you go, that's right. Do you know what those flowers are? Mm-hmm. What are they? They're blackberry flowers. They're gonna turn into blackberries.
Blackberries? Look, they're not open.
Nope, those are not open yet. But they will. Okay, so it says Rhododendron Cove, dedicated as a state nature preserve through the generosity of conservationist Jim and Sandy Davison. This plaque honors their 50th wedding anniversary, June 21st, 2008. It's pretty nice of them. What are they?
They're red.
The red flowers? Mm-hmm. They are pretty.
Mm-hmm.
So, what do you think about the hike so far?
It's good.
Do you like the chair?
Mm-hmm. It's bouncy.
It's bouncy. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Would you rather be here with Papa?
Mm-hmm.
What?
With you too.
All right. I can do that. Mama and Papa, but maybe Papa gets to come next time.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you.
Olivia, where are you?
I'm right here.
There you are.
We're supposed to go on it. You want to come with this? We got it here. See right here?
The walls are pretty tall, huh?
Here we go up.
Yeah, keep going.
Can't see. It's wider.
Not that way. This way.
It's rooty. Can I go?
to the top.
We made it to the top.
As you can see, they're getting ready to bloom. They should be bloomed within the next 2 weeks, I would guess. All right, so what did you find there? Can you tell everybody what you found?
I find a feather.
It's a pretty good size feather too. So she asked if she can take it home. I told her she can. Sorry, Chris and Tori. You're probably gonna have to get rid of it yourself.
No.
All right, it's lunchtime. What do you want for lunch?
I want to have my snack.
Do you want your snack or do you want an apple?
I want an apple.
An apple. All right, Memo has apples.
So one apple.
So the one thing about Olivia is she works up an appetite whenever she goes hiking. And she almost always wants an apple. Here's an apple. And you're gonna have to drink some of your water. So where is your water?
In my backpack.
And who's supposed to carry your water?
Me.
Why? Because it's yours.
Yes.
All right, so there is your water.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna sit here, take a little break. It's a lot cooler up here in the shade and on all these rocks. But so far, I think Olivia's having fun. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
All right.
There's no pieces.
We're gonna put your feather in there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Eat your apple. It's a beautiful place, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
So we're all the way in the back. This is the end of the orange trail, but there's a blue trail going that way, and I believe that goes to another nature preserve. So we're gonna head back to the car. We got about 1.5 miles already in. So I'm guessing we'll end up with like 2.5 miles by the end of it. But we did do some little side exploring. There's tons of trails all over the place up here. So pretty interesting. Olivia's found a feather, some chipmunks, and several frogs. There's been frogs everywhere. All right, we're gonna go look at the other side of it because it goes up to the top of the hill and then it kind of has a loop around the top. So we're still not done yet.
Follow the orange. Someone walked us in.
Somebody blocked us in?
Walked us in.
What are we gonna do?
We can't get out.
We can't get out. There's a tree in our way.
Yes.
What are you doing there? There's a tree in your way.
Because we can't go in the signs and find that car.
You gotta go over the tree.
Go over that thing.
Yeah, jump over it. Let me hold your feather.
We can go to.
right, guys. So that was our trip to Rhododendron Cove. Hope you enjoyed it. Sorry you didn't get to see the flowers that I hoped was there. Maybe we need to wait till a little bit later on in June. But we did find these beautiful yellow flowers behind us, lilies. We found some other flowers, huh? And we found some frogs. So seen tons of chipmunks. It's a beautiful hike, and we only seen one other set of hikers that was on the trail. It was pretty much just us, huh? Did you think it's a nice place? Do you give it a thumbs up? Thumbs up? Yeah? Alrighty. We hope you guys enjoyed coming along. If you hadn't already hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit it. Hit the notification bell. That way you can see all of our upcoming adventures, and we'll see you up the trail. Bye!